Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you tonight. I want to do this real simple video before I do my next video, just to kind of show you all something here that I think will make a little sense to you. Y'all ask me about rubs and things like that all the time, and I understand, you know, there's different ones available, different folks across the country. I want to do some just how-to basic rub videos that I'm going to use in some of my recipes here. So tonight what we're going to do, I'm going to do a basic, I guess you'd say Texas style rub, just with basic, almost salt and pepper here. I want y'all to take a look. I just got a bowl here. I got 2 cups or 2 parts fresh cracked black pepper. You can use fresh ground, that'd be best. I got 1 cup or 1 part kosher salt. Okay, make sure you get the coarse ground kosher stuff. Don't use the little salt flakes. Now, mix that around. Now, honestly, you could stop right here. And some purists are gonna say that's right where it stops. I've got 2 additives that I like to add though. For one is about 3 teaspoons, I'll take that back, about 2 tablespoons, or about 6 teaspoons of garlic powder. And, you know, if I had coarse ground dry garlic, that'd be even better. That would be a good addition. But here's one that I really like: 3 teaspoons of cumin, okay? This really elevates it just a little bit, okay? So you wanna mix that on in, okay? Again, it's a simple rub, can be used for beef, pork, or whatever, but really loads of flavor, but super simple. All right, remember that's basically 2 parts coarse ground pepper to 1 part coarse kosher salt. Then I add in those, remember, 2 little teaspoons of cumin, that was my add in, and 2 or so tablespoons of the garlic powder, optional of course. Now I've got me a jar here, jar filler. That's the best way to do this in my opinion, is just kind of fill a little jar with it. Just pour it in like that. And then you can kind of keep mixing as you go along. But this is about the cleanest way to do it. And we'll fill this up and we'll just, you know, you can store this. I like to store my stuff in the freezer down here, just simply because of the humidity. You can store it wherever. It's gonna be a little bit more than this will actually make. That's fine. Just a little bit more than this will actually hold. That's fine. I'll use the rest first in the recipe. We got a whole jar of this simple, we'll call it like a Texas style rub. Stuff's really good. Y'all give it a try. Simple. Salt and pepper, coarse salt and pepper, Texas style barbecue rub. True flavor right here. Thank y'all so much. Please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless. And y'all continue watching.